Home Remedies presents
a miracle power to heal all eye problems. Herbal eye wash. Eyes are by far the most important sensory organs we possess, and hence it won't be wrong in emphasizing eyesight to be the best gift we all have received. Ayurveda, one of the ancient medicinal systems in our universe, very well understands this fact and hence offers many methodologies to improve them. Haritaki has got miracle power to heal all eye problems. Haritaki has gained a lot of significance both in ancient period as well as modern times due to its medicinal properties. It helps treat various eye problems such as watery eyes, inflamed eyes, dry eyes, conjunctivitis, and stye infection. You need to simply make an eye wash. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. As an eye wash, Haritaki is often used to treat all types of eye conditions including conjunctivitis. What you will need: Haritaki powder 1 teaspoon, water 250 ml. Directions: to make an eye wash decoction, boil 1 teaspoon of Haritaki powder in 250 ml of water for 10 minutes. Let the mixture cool for another 10 minutes, then strain out the Haritaki powder. With the help of a strainer, allow the liquid to drain into a clean jar or vessel. All of the liquid may not drain into the vessel, but that is okay. You don't want to get any of the powder in the eye. Let the liquid cool and then place it in an eye cup. Place the eye cup over one of the eyes and get a tight seal, and then tilt the head back so the liquid immerses the eye. Repeat with the same liquid 2 to 4 times. You can wash the eyes 3 to 5 times a day. You can use the same decoction as a mouthwash also.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.